Hey, guys, don't waste time making rash decisions. I will help you start trading intelligently and with discipline. By the way, right now you can pick up for free at the link in the description of my assistant, the FixProfit robot, which shares detailed reports on 12 indicators and immediately gives recommendations. Yes, it saves tons of time and allows you to see all the important data in one place. After a month, you can only pick it up for a fee, so hurry up. And to not miss out on new valuable and informative content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put likes and write comments, friends. So, I entered the trade on a signal from the bot after seeing the detailed report. Selling, I hit the red button. 4 indicators showed that sellers would be effective on the 5-minute timeframe. I am working with the Euro, American dollar currency pair. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. In the past hour, the price was already moving out of the corridor. I think that soon sellers will be able to break the support zone and bring the price down. They had better saturate the market with volumes in the last minutes. I have sped up the price movement for easy viewing. So, I want to remind you once again that you can get a free high-performance robot from the link in the description. And you will also get very cool bonuses. Access to VIP chat and a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. So, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. You're not failing, you're training. Let's be real, trading isn't all Lambos and fireworks like it looks on Instagram. Most days, it's you versus the chart, you versus your doubt, you sitting alone at your screen, questioning if this was a mistake. But hear this, the only traders who win are the ones who keep going. Because if you can survive the early storms, what's waiting on the other side isn't luck, it's earned skill, discipline, and financial freedom. Before you think about chart patterns or indicators, understand this. The number one reason traders lose is not the market, it's their own money management. You need to protect your capital like it's your life vest in open water. Risk 1 to 2% per trade. No exceptions. Here's what that looks like. Got a $100 deposit? Trade $1. Your profit? 80 cents. Got $1,000? Now you trade $10. That's $8 per win. Got $10,000? Trade $100. Win $80. Same strategy, same setup, just more income, without more risk. You want to grow faster? Don't change your risk, increase your deposit. That's how the pros do it. This isn't a get-rich trick. It's not a slot machine. It's a business, and like any business, from opening a restaurant to launching a startup, there's risk. There are losses. There are setbacks, but ask any successful entrepreneur, athlete, or investor. The only way out is through. If you treat trading like a business, manage risk smartly, and build skill over time, you'll start to see what 90% of people quit too early to experience. So, I successfully completed my first trade. $1,031 is now in my pocket. Yes, the robot understood the situation perfectly and helped me not to let my guard down. I made the right decisions based on its report. Now I will work with another currency pair so that I can have variety in my work and so that you can see the flexibility of fixed profit thinking. British pound, Japanese yen, 5 minutes. 1% of the amount on deposit. Active buying. The bot showed me that 9 indicators were screaming buyer dominance in the coming minutes. Yeah, that looks convincing. I can see from the price movement chart that the price has been rising for a long time within a sideways movement. The bull's volumes slightly prevailed over the bear's volumes, which is confirmed by the histogram and the green bars on it. The price broke out of the corridor, breaking through the resistance area, turning this area into its new support zone. I think we will see a slight rise in the coming minutes and it will provide a great result on the bottom line. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. Remember Iron Man, when Tony Stark was in that cave, building a suit with scraps? That wasn't the glam part. That was the painful, dirty, frustrating beginning. But that was the moment everything changed. You're there right now. The charts are messy. Your confidence is shaky. But this is where you build your edge. Keep showing up. Let's talk strategy for a second. If you're not reviewing your trades, you're not improving. Here's what to do after every trade. Take a screenshot. Mark why you entered, where, and what indicators or price action you used. Rate the setup. Was it clean or forced? Log your emotion. Were you calm or impulsive? Then, once a week, review your trades like game tape. Look for patterns in your success and failure. That's how growth happens, not with new tools, but with better awareness. Kobe Bryant shot airballs in the playoffs. Michael Jordan got cut from his high school team. Mr. Beast made hundreds of videos before one went viral. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple and came back to build the iPhone. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be persistent. No one remembers the early losses when you win big later. But you don't get there if you quit now. You don't need to win every trade. You need to follow your plan, even when it's hard. You need to stick to your risk rules, even after a loss. You need to avoid overtrading, even when you're tempted. That's how traders turn the corner. Not with secrets, with structure. The turning point doesn't come when you feel amazing. It comes when you're broken, exhausted, frustrated, and you still keep going. You're not failing. You're learning. You're not behind. You're early. You're not lost. You're in progress. So breathe, refocus, adjust, and keep showing up. So, I successfully completed the job. $2,072, total profit for 2 trades. Thank you, FixProfit. The robot has done its job. Pick it up for free at the link below the video and subscribe to this channel.